Come test drive this 2014 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.